Hello students, today we discuss about potable water. What do you understand by potable water? The water which is used for drinking purpose is known as potable water. Water which is fit for human consumption and for drinking purpose is called potable water. Drinking water should have the following characteristic. Potable water should have the following characteristics. First one is it should be colorless, it should be odorless, it should be clean and transparent, it should be free from harmful bacteria. It should not contain any harmful germs or bacteria. It should be free from salts which endanger human life, such as nitrates, cyanides. It should have a good taste. Taste in water is due to a small amount of dissolved gases or minerals in water. Now, now we discuss about types of water which are not considered as a potable water. Distilled water and sea water both are not considered as a potable water because distilled water is completely free from dissolved salt. Hence, it consume will tend to dissolve essential salts from human body and causes its deficiency. And seawater is the most impure form of water. Seawater is the most impure form of water. It contains a high percentage of dissolved salt like sodium chloride. It also contains salt of calcium and magnesium also. Hence, it is unsuitable for drinking and also for agriculture purpose. So, it is not a potable water. Now, we discuss about needs of potable water. Earth's surface is covered with water. Only a small percentage of it safe for drinking and household purpose. So the purification of water must be carried out to remove dissolved mineral, gases and suspended impurities. It must be carried to remove dissolved mineral like calcium and magnesium salts, dissolved gases like carbon dioxide gas, and dissolved suspended impurities like sand, organic matter also. And disease causing germ it also must be carried to remove. It must be carried to remove disease causing germs which may causes diarrhea, typhoid, etc. So most of the germs are killed on boiling. Potassium permanganate being a germicide used to kill the germ in water, making it safe for use. It is advisable to boil the water to be used for drinking. Now we discuss about purification plant. In cities, water is received from river, lake and may not be potable. In our houses, we use different method to make water potable. Water obtained from the source is filtered before use. Those who depend on wells for the supply of drinking water drop a few crystals of potassium permanganate into the well. Because of potassium permanganate is a germicide, it used to kill the germs in water and makes the water safe for use. Water is purified in a purification plant before it enters individual homes through water taps. In homes, boiling of water may help to kill germs and bacteria to a certain extent. Thank you, class.